Good morning everyone. Today I am going to explain the hill transport safety device idea. But first we need to understand what are the objectives behind it. In the mountainous region of India, particularly in states like Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and northeastern states, road safety remains a very significant challenge due to the weather conditions and unique terrain. Now one of the most critical hazards on this road is the blind spot which occurs when drivers cannot see the upcoming vehicle or obstacles. It can be due to sharp curves, steep slopes or even weather conditions. Now, to address these pressing issues, the development of a safety device which aimed at eliminating the blind spot could drastically improve the road safety, reducing the number of accidents and saving lives. Now, first we need to understand the key problems in the hilly areas which are faced by the drivers. Firstly is the blind spot due to sharp curves and hairpin bends. Now, mountain roads often feature sharp bends and hairpin curves where visibility is very limited. Driver cannot see the oncoming vehicle and obstacle until it's too late. Secondly is poor visibility in foggy or rainy conditions. And third is steep slopes and dangerous descent. Now steep roads make it difficult to maintain the speed of the car, and eventually the blind spot also increase the risk of accidents. Fourth is there is very limited warning systems for blind spot in states like Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and northeastern states. Now there is a lack of adequate signage or warning system to indicate sharp turns, blind spot or the oncoming traffic. And fifth is the high traffic in narrow lanes. In tourist areas such as Shimla, Manali, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and northeastern states, there is there is a very high traffic in very narrow lanes, due to which the risk of accident actually increases.
Solution to all this problem is that you will create a complex mechanism which will consist of a pressure plate on both the side of the sharp road curves. When a vehicle of certain weight will cross over it, it will send an electric signal to the light on the other side, and it will grow, which will make the driver to know about the upcoming vehicle. It will also work in a foggy area where it is difficult for the driver to navigate through. If the driver is going beyond the speed limit and he or she does not honk before the sharp road curve, then also it will help the driver on the other side to know about the upcoming vehicle, which will reduce the cases of accident.
And the benefits of using this device. Now, firstly, it would act as an early warning system and would even be helpful in traffic police. It would not require much energy because the pressure plates, after being compressed by the weights of the vehicle, would generate enough amount of electricity to warn the vehicles on the other side of the roads. It can be further used to turn the road lights on by reducing the excess energy generated through the pressure plates. And at night, in case of failure of roadside lights and in hilly areas, it can be used as an emergency light and as an emergency responder as well. So this is how the working diagram of the device will look like. It will have the pressure plates on either side of the roads, which will be compressed after a vehicle is crossed, and a light will glow on the other side. Thank you.